What's up, everybody? Stephen Horne here from Money Making Ideas, and in today's video I am going to give you 4 Instagram story hacks to improve your views and your engagement. If you've been following me for the last few months, then you've probably noticed that I've become a lot more active in story, and that is because I wanted to test out a few Instagram story methods. Out of the many different Instagram story methods that I've tried, I found that 4 of them really work well in order to improve your views and your engagement. The first thing I want to talk about is using the music sticker in your story. If you remember from my How to Grow from Zero on Instagram video, I said that it seems like Instagram promotes the use of its newest feature. Well, we're going to try to take full advantage of that by using the music sticker in stories. Now, you can use this in one or two ways. You can either create a photo and then use the music to emphasize an emotion with that photo, or maybe just to have an upbeat music. Or you can create a video and use the music to emphasize the emotion that you want to display in that video. When using a music sticker, you can actually choose which section of that piece of music that you want to be played. And when the music go live, the words of that music will actually appear on screen so that people can follow along with the music. This can actually be a little distracting if you're creating a video using the music. However, if you're creating a photo, it works really well to capture people's attention. The next thing I want to talk about is really simple to do, but it still works pretty well, and that's adding a shadow to your text. To add a shadow to your text, you just write out what you want to say. Then you copy and paste it as a separate text. Then change the color of the text and overlay one text over the other. Now, another good way of getting views and engagement to your story is by adding polls. And you can ask really simple questions at first in order to get people comfortable with interacting with your story. Simple things like, how's your day going so far? And you can have the poll saying either good or getting good, or how was your holiday, or how was your weekend. People quickly respond to this because it gives them a chance to talk about themselves, even if it's just by pushing a button. Are you still with me so far? If so, give me an IG hack in the comment section down below, and we're actually going to go straight into a bonus before we go into the final hack. Whenever I want to emphasize something, I actually turn my text into a story in of its own. I do this by taking one sentence and breaking it down into 2 or more posts. You do this by writing out what you want to say, saving it to your phone, then reposting it and adding on another piece of what you want to say. You continue to do this until you write out everything that you want to be conveyed. A little bonus is actually highlighting only one word in this in order to emphasize the importance of that word. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is adding text to your videos. When you're doing videos where you're talking to your followers, then you have to realize that 9 times out of 10, your followers are either at school or at work, or at least someplace where they cannot listen to your videos out loud. By adding text to your videos, you're able to summarize the important parts of what you're saying so that your followers can stay up to date. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing and social media tips and tricks. And I'll see you guys next week.